Hello friends, in this lecture we will know about different colors in the CATIA sketching. So when we create some sketches in the CATIA software, we will see different types of color of the sketches. So each color in the CATIA define a different type of sketch. So generally when we create some sketch in CATIA, we have four types of color: orange, green, white or purple, or it is a type of pink color. So all these colors represent a different scenario. First of all, we have orange color. So orange means select entity or selected geometry or sketch. Whenever we select anything in CATIA, it is highlighted in the orange color. So for example, we can select sketches like line, circle, rectangle, etc. So when we select them, their color will be turned to orange color. After that, we have green color. So when we see the dimensions of sketches in the green color, it means they are fully defined. So fully defined means they are fully constrained sketch. It means that whatever dimensions are required to show that sketch, they are fully defined. For example, in case of rectangle, we define a rectangle by height and width. So whenever the rectangle is fully defined, all the dimensions will be shown in the green color. And then we have white color. So whenever a sketch is shown in the white color, then the sketch will be under constraint. It means we need to insert some more dimensions or any constraint into the sketch to make it fully defined or fully constrained. And whenever any sketch is shown in purple color, or in some version it is in pink color, it means the sketch is over constrained. So in over constrained sketches we need to delete some of the constraint to make them fully defined or fully constrained. So these are all the different colors in CATIA.